Biblically Centered Kids.
Well, happy Saturday, friends. I hope you're enjoying your weekend. Today is June 1st, 2024. Wait a second. June 1st? We are already in the 6th month of 2024? Is it me, or did the first 5 months go by pretty fast? How did it feel to you? Fast or slow? Well, anyways, my name is Mr. Johnny, and welcome to the Biblically Centered Kids podcast. And again, happy Saturday. Surely by this point, you guys have already committed the virtue this week to memory, right? Okay, if you have, go ahead and say it out loud now. Virtue V says... Did you remember it? All right, I'll say it, okay? Virtue V says, we value our possessions, giving thanks for everything and in every circumstance. Did you know today is National Flip a Coin Day? That's kind of fun, isn't it? Flip a Coin Day is celebrated every year on June 1st, and it's a day where the history and significance of coin tosses are highlighted. This is because coin flips have been used to make vital decisions for centuries, and from the looks of it, this habit is going to be carried forth by the coming generations. So instead of worrying yourself over difficult choices, leave the day-to-day to chance and make a decision based on a coin toss. So, what would you choose? Heads or tails? Maybe do a make-your-own-adventure day with your siblings or a parent. It's pretty easy. All you have to do is get a coin, and then have two people make a suggestion of what they want to do. Have one of the people call heads or tails, and then whichever one it lands on, you do that thing. And then when that task or activity is completed, do it again, and again, and again, until you've had a fun, fulfilled day. But of course, make sure your parents are on board, okay? And if at any time they need you to do something they've asked, well, let's not leave that up to a coin toss. Stop what you're doing and listen promptly to your parents. Today, we're going to play a fun game where I'm going to play a sound clip, and you have to guess what the sound is. Are you ready? Yeah! Let's play.
Is that a dolphin or somebody golfing? We don't know, so help us
Guess the sound. All right, here's the first clip. What does that sound like to you? Do you have a guess? It's someone chopping vegetables. All right, second one. Ooh, that one sounded familiar. Can you guess that sound? It's someone cracking eggs in a metal bowl. Did you get that one? All right, third one. Surely this one sounds a little familiar to you, right? At least a few of you. All right, did you get it? It's someone opening a box of cereal and pouring cereal into a bowl. All right, here's number 4. Sounds sort of squeaky in a way. What do you think that was? That was someone cleaning a glass mirror. Did you get that one correct? All right, let's jump into number 5. Ooh, that one's vaguely familiar. Can you put your finger on what that one is? Let's give it one more go. That's right. It's a train passing by. Did anyone guess a train? Okay, number 6. Surely this sounds familiar to some of you, right? Can you place it? All right, let's do it one more time. Aha, did you get it? Yep, it's scissors cutting through paper. Very, very, very nice. All right, let's do number 7. Here we go. All right, this seems pretty easy for me for the most part, but what do you think? Did you guess? Well, the answer is someone writing on paper with a marker. All right, just a few left. Let's do number 8. Ooh, this is a tricky one. One more time. Well, what do you think? Do you have any guesses what that could be? Have any of you seen The Lion King? Well, that's a clue for you because it's a hyena laughing. Yes, they actually laugh, and it's sort of creepy. I once took a trip to Africa, and on a couple of the nights while sleeping in a tent, you can hear them laughing off in the distance, and it's just a little unsettling. All right, we're going to do an easier one for number 9. Here we go. All right, this one should be familiar to you. Let's do it one more time. Yep, that was an easy one. That was a toilet being flushed. All right, one last one. Are you ready? We're going to go out with a bang. Here's number 10. That one was pretty easy, huh? All right, just for fun, let's do it one more time. Yep, easy peasy, you got it. That's a firework launching and exploding. Well, great job, kiddos. How'd you do? Did you crush it with a 10 out of 10? I know some of them maybe were a little challenging, but I hope you have a fantastic Saturday. Are you going to do the Make Your Own Adventure coin flip challenge? Be sure to keep your parents in the loop and make sure they approve. And have yourself a great Saturday. Tomorrow, Miss Danika is going to be leading us in a fun draw along, so we will see you right here tomorrow. Until next time.